First night, yeah, me get a vision. So my friend them up and up for kill I. When them run up in on me MC 3 months, I see I Marcus Emmanuel Selah. Friend a kill friend, MGP, no trust none of them. Same friend where you lock your head. One buckle feast, stand up and watch your dead. When me say Selah, protect me, run over bad mind, yeah, with a Leland, so me fly past home with a clean.
Blessed love to all my viewers and subscribers. It's another Upful Monday, and this Monday I'm going to be featuring none other than my own daughter, and I'm keeping it upful and joyful. So at the weekend, I had to reshuffle, I had to change things around. Like always, as I said before, I'm in charge. So I can reshuffle the deck at any time, take out any show, bring in a new show, and I flipped the deck and launched a new program titled We Love with Jamaica. And on that program at the weekend, I featured my one and only daughter. And that is my one and only biological daughter. I cannot stress on this more. Though my womb has only brought forth one daughter, I do have other daughters who are not brought forth of my womb. And as I say all the time, I'm a mother of all children, a mother of this universe. And even though a child was not born from I still stand that responsibility and claim mother to that child. So my daughter is here, my biological child is here this week, and she's my feature on this Upful Monday. And I present to you official Sade, my child, my offspring, and my biological daughter.
Hello my beautiful people, it's me Sade, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I've achieved this nice, cute, lovely natural hairstyle. I usually do this after wash and go, so you know it's nice and quick and easy to do. And the earrings I'm wearing today are from the house of Jonah. The link of their website will be in the description box below. Hello my beautiful people, it is me Sade, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my turban style. So the first thing you want to do is obviously get your turban. Mine's black. I don't want no weird kind of colours, no butterflies, no flowers, nothing like that. I want my black turban and I just like it because it's black. It's me Sade. It sounds a little bit weird when I say that because I have not said that in a while, as I've been gone for a few weeks. But now I'm back like I never left, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this sleek high ponytail.
So, as you may have gathered, official Sade, my daughter, she is a student as well as she is an up-and-coming YouTuber. She vlogs about natural hairstyles as she embraces her natural hair. And she started to discover the magic of her natural hair as she enlightens other women or other females as to how to look after your natural hair. So, official Sade, my daughter, does her YouTube. She does do a bit of modeling for I. As she mentioned, her earrings are from the house of Jonah. That is one of my labels, and that's my accessories label. I will be linking that website in the description bar below. And I could not thank you more for following us throughout this journey, throughout this YouTube journey. I never started out as a vlogger, neither did I start out as a YouTuber, but as the world changes and as we start to embrace technology more, and if you've got a voice and you've got something to say, why not embrace what is presented to you and what is used in this time? So bless up yourselves, people. Have an Upful Monday. And I cannot thank you enough. And that's every single one of you who've actually come onto this channel. For every single like, for every single share, and for every single one of you who've actually hit the subscribe button. I do appreciate it. Thank you for all the people who have commented on my videos and have always had an input. I do appreciate you. Like always, I'm going to leave you with a positive and upful vibration on this Upful Monday. And this is in the form of an encouragement. I encourage you people to support your own. Celebrate their success. Embrace them. Empower them. Like I did with my daughter, Shade. I'd love for you to do the same for you and yours. And like a Jamaican saying says, dance a yard before you go dance abroad. And this is me dancing a yard before me dance abroad. So people, embrace your people, embrace your loved ones, celebrate them, and let them know that, hey, I acknowledge what you're doing, even though sometimes you're not in full support, but encourage them. They'll see their way. And I'm going to be linking my daughter's channel in the description bar below. Please go over and support her. Subscribe to her channel and encourage her. Remember now, I'm not her only mom. Blessed love and have an Upful Monday. I'm out for now. Real Empress Yudah.
That's why the lion paw never seal up. No boom fist, no healing, you can't greet us. You are pre-evil, boy, you're too evil up. Bad mind just right.